In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, bold headlines and bigger promises are a daily occurrence. Recently, one claim spiked across feeds. World Bank's Pi joins GCV price revolution. It implies a massive leap for Pi network and a shockwave of institutional adoption. Pi already has a huge following, millions tapping a simple smartphone app. The headline paints world banks not just noticing Pi, but integrating it into systems. And if true, a massive valuation event could follow. But extraordinary claims demand extraordinary evidence. What is verifiable reality, and what is enthusiastic speculation? We will break down the claim, review sources, and map facts you can act on. Imagine crypto as a vast ocean. Most projects are small boats on choppy seas. Docking at a World Bank equals safety, stability, and global access. So we check port records, official bank press releases, Pi announcements, and logs. Stay calm, filter the noise, and focus on core components. Tech, claims, facts. We will cover Pi basics, app expansion, the GCV idea, and the evidence on both sides. All conclusions here reflect the facts as of today, October 17, 2025. Part 1 suggests banks adopting, integrating, and recognizing Pi. Part 2 cites a community-driven high-value peg, often $314,150 per Pi. Most sources are social posts, not official bank or Pi core team releases. The combo of institutional legitimacy and community set value is emotionally compelling. Pi pursues utility, runs hackathons, and has global reach, kernels that fuel optimism. But there is no official confirmation from any named bank, still silence. Banks price via liquidity, supply demand, and risk, not community pegs. Until official posts appear, treat the claim as rumor and protect your keys. Now let's ground the conversation. What Pi network actually is, and what app expansion looks like. Claim versus reality starts with first principles. On we go. Pi network is a mobile-first cryptocurrency project that lets everyday users secure the network and earn Pi with a tap. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-heavy mining, Pi is designed for smartphones, low barrier, wide reach. Founded by Stanford-affiliated team, the mission is broad access and real-world utility. Pi advances in phases. Build users, test apps, run enclosed mainnet, then open to the world. Core thesis: value follows utility. Apps, services, and real transactions, not pure speculation. Think city building. Citizens first, then roads and grids, then shops and services. As of today, Pi runs an enclosed mainnet, live chain, but fenced off from external exchanges. KYC'd users can migrate balances and transact within the enclosed ecosystem. App expansion means practical places to earn, spend, and exchange Pi for goods and services. Examples: a Pi marketplace purchase, a freelance gig paid in Pi, a game item bought in-app. Builders start on testnet with test Pi, iterate safely, then graduate to mainnet with real Pi. Hackathons and developer tools foster an ecosystem that can power daily use. Announcements are easy. The metric that matters is live, stable, actively used apps. Tangible progress is when a normal user can buy something with Pi smoothly. Today, GCV, Global Consensus Value, is a community idea to peg Pi to a very high price. Supportive signals include utility goals, dev momentum, and limited P2P trades inside the community. The gap remains: zero official bank confirmations and no core team endorsement of GCV. Institutional value rests on liquidity and volume, not community-declared pegs. Navigate hype by checking official sources first, every time. Never share your passphrase. Beware of fake exchanges or bank portals before open mainnet. Pi's journey: 2019 app launch, 2020 testnet, 2021 enclosed mainnet, and today, still enclosed. The pivotal moment is open mainnet. External connectivity, exchange listings, public integrations. Watch for a core team announcement first, then corroborating releases from partners. Real adoption is methodical and transparent. Patience beats hype. Let's weigh the strongest support against the clearest challenges. Banks explore blockchain, CBDCs, and tokenization, so curiosity isn't far-fetched. Inside the community, P2P deals at high implied values do occur among willing participants. People connect industry trends to their favorite project and leap to institutional conclusions. But no bank has posted an official release naming Pi. Major newswires are silent. Community pegs don't override liquidity and risk frameworks used by banks. The phrase may be a project name, not literal participation by world banks. Pi's official channels haven't endorsed GCV or announced bank partners. Verification steps: check bank sites, Pi app home screen, minepi.com, and verified socials. Never input your passphrase into third-party apps. Your key equals your funds. Help the ecosystem, test apps, file feedback, and contribute constructively. 2019 launch, 2020 testnet, 2021 enclosed mainnet and still enclosed today. External exchange listings and formal integrations require open mainnet. The single most important catalyst, an official open mainnet announcement. After that, expect methodical, verifiable, co-announced partnerships, if they happen. Verdict: the claim lacks verifiable evidence. Treat it as hype until proven otherwise. Real value emerges as useful apps scale and everyday transactions feel normal. Pi is still in the greenhouse. The harvest happens after open exposure to markets. Follow official channels, secure your wallet, and ignore unverified portals. Be hopeful, grounded in reality, and patient with engineering timelines. All key points appear in on-screen captions for clarity and accessibility. Apps are expanding. Institutional GCV claims have no proof. Verify before you act. Monitor. Open mainnet date. Official partner press releases, and live usable apps. If you build, build. If you use, use. Help utility grow safely. When real news lands, it will be clear, official, and verifiable from both sides. Thanks for watching. Stay verified, stay safe, and see you on Open Mainnet Day.